it, man. I'm scared.
Alright.
I got underwear. I don't hear you yelling. I was going first. That's because I was drunk, man.
Oh.
Yeah, he said that. I'm going first. I don't know if I can go, man. I'm scared.
Someone gotta do it. We don't have to, though.
Yeah, you gotta go, man. We're already here, right?
Well, you know.
We're here.
I don't know, man. Y'all don't have to.
Hang on, let me get some video here.
You're making this guy think too much. Just don't look down. Look at the trees over there. God damn it.
I'm too old for this shit, ain't I? Ain't I old?
Yeah. Yeah, you go fucking 70 feet.
40. What is it, 40 or 30?
Probably like 30. Probably 40.
Something like that. It's a damn jump, I can tell you that.
Are you doing it?
I don't know, man. I'm scared.
You don't have to.
Yeah, you don't have to, do you?
No.
You never do.
I wasn't thinking. Oh yeah!
I missed the splash, but I got it.
I don't know, I'm scared. Oh no. You don't have to, Max.
Fuck it, get her done. Yeah, fuck it, get her done. Can't climb down.
God.
Man, I'm just...
Yeah, I'll count you.
That's worse.
Hey, how's the water?
That's beautiful, man. It's like bath water.
Unos dos tres.
See, he ain't drunk this time. He landed right that time. Yeah.
Hey, that time went good.
Yeah, it did.
I didn't land crooked that time.
That was a good one. Oh man.
I chose it, brother.